You're being funny.
Quite a debut, Ollie, for the new flip phone. Set it up. There you go, it's working.
Merry Christmas, Brian.
Thank you. Fun, huh?
Uh-huh.
Look, wow, Ollie, you're made for the camera. Doing box and everything.
He's showing off.
You make that baby have something to own up to.
Baby will not be upstaged.
No. Kind of is putting on a show. Just think, Ollie, minutes ago you were sleeping.
Come on.
To the camera world, they're going to think that the folks on YouTube are going to say, wow, what a busy cat. Hey. Look up here. Of course not. I'm trying to get him to smell it. Alright, and then we'll fade out, Ollie.